These units are made in Switzerland and feature hyper-HEPA filtration of particles down to 0.003 microns. The HealthPro Plus has 4 stages of filtration and 3D Ultra Seal technology so that air cannot easily bypass the filter. Their new addition 6-speed fan quietly provides enhanced airflow through their even flow diffuser, which distributes the air in a 320-degree arc for better air circulation throughout the room. The GC MultiGas model features a huge 12 pounds of activated carbon to remove odors and chemicals and has a 1,240 square feet coverage area with a 300 CFM delivery rate. The HealthPro Compact model has a 1,240 square feet coverage area with a 330 CFM delivery rate. The units can be purchased directly through their website as well as on Amazon and are backed by a good guarantee, but they are relatively expensive compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.